What is going on with Luna Classic? So here's what I did today. I initially got into this, FOMOed in at the very top on this pump right here. Got in at 11.7. I had my stop at this black line. It wicked. That's where my stop was. It wicked right below. I got stopped out. I lost 75% of my initial investment. If I just would have had been able, if I would have been willing to get liquidated on this trade, I would have not been liquidated. I wouldn't have been stopped out, and I'd have a lot more money right now. But I did re-enter, then went and looked when we got the reversal. I got in right here at 10.6, and I am currently up 23%. I'm on 5x leverage though, so that means as of I'm looking at my phone right now, I'm up 99% on this current trade. So that's what it says right there. I'm up 155 bucks, so I put in 160 bucks in this trade. It's almost double right now. It was just 111%. So where could this potentially go? I think we could keep going up pretty high. My current profit, my take profit, I should say, is 20, which would be a 4.3 X for me, or a 430% gain. When we get up there, if it still looks really bullish, I might consider just moving my stop up and not taking profits. But making 40% gains, I think I should take profits. So we'll play it by ear when we get to that time, depending on how fast it goes up. So we'll see what happens. Here's why I'm bullish on this short and long. Well, short and long term. So this is what we call a Sammy cup and handle to the upside. Here's your cup and there's your handle. So that's what I project the price action will do. When we get up to 16, you'll have a handle, and then these shoot up. If they shoot up to the upside parabolic, they shoot up parabolically to the upside if they play to the upside. So kind of what you'll probably see in the price action is you go up a little bit more, you'll come down into this cup, and then you'll blast the upside. When we start making the handle, which I do think will happen, whether or not Bitcoin goes below 20K, I don't know if it matters. This just looks really bullish. But obviously, Bitcoin can take any trade down. But if this does go in the cup, you would take your measured move from whatever the high point is. So say we start making the handle at 20, where my take profit is. To get the measured move when you blast out of the handle, which is this thing right here, you would take whatever the high point is, say it's 20, to wherever the low point in the cup was, and that would give you your measured move. So say your handle goes down there, then your measured move could be like 30, which would be 33% higher than wherever this handle is. This is very much speculation, but it looks just to me like a cup and handle that would blast to the upside. These play out 80 to 90% of the time where they go to the upside. Obviously, there's always a chance you come down, and you come down crashing hard, especially if Bitcoin doesn't want to comply. Now, the question is, do you start making your handle here around 16, or do you make your handle here where the last daily candle close was, or on the first daily candle close when it first came out, which is at 19 or 20, where my take profit is, or do you do it all the way up here at this wick? I'm thinking it's going to be right here or right here. So I don't see it. If the handle's going to play out, I would assume it's going to happen at or before 20. And if it happened to the upside, if price action did as I'm predicting, it would at least be up there at 30, which from here is almost a 3x, 2.5, 2.7x. So that's very much speculation, but to me, this looks like cup and handle. It looks very bullish. Be cautious, guys. So I'm up currently 89. Now it's gone down 10%. I'm up 90% from just a few hours ago. My stop loss is at break even. I will not lose money on this trade. So be aggressive with your top. I can't talk. Be aggressive in such a volatile coin with your stop loss. If you're up 100%, make sure you at least move your stop loss to break even. My plan is as we go up higher, when I get up to a double, like 300% gains, I'll move my stop loss to 100% profit. So that means my stop loss would be where we are right now if it keeps going up. Which if it got to 15, that'd pretty much be I move my stop loss up to 100% profit. But that's just how I'm doing it. Every time I make 100% profit on this, I'm going to move my stop loss up. But of course, this is not financial advice. When we get up here, if we just keep going up until we make the handle, I don't plan on taking profits. When we start to make the handle, I'll take profits and probably just get out. But until we start making the handle, I'm just going to keep moving my stop loss up. So that's how I'm saying it. I'm very bullish. I am not like 80 to 90% positive that this is a cup and handle that's probably going to start to make the handle between the level of 16 to 20. If it's above 20, it probably is not cup and handle. It's just going parabolic, which I'm okay with too. But cup and handles are very bullish. So we'll see what happens. With that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate it if you like and subscribe. And follow me if you like LUNC Classic, because I will keep covering this as long as this keeps looking really bullish. I will see you guys in the next video. And until next time, trade safe and use proper risk management, guys.